Hello everyone, this is my homework 1.2. The title is The Electric Pneumatic System and Test by Field SIM. It's about A plus B, A minus, B plus, B minus. First, let me introduce the background. If we wanted to finish this homework, we have to need the components like this. First, we need two double-acting cylinder, and we need two 5x2 impulse valve. From this, we can see that the valve is delay valve, cylinder valve. Then we need four 3x2 water level valve to control the position of the piston, and we need four one-way flow control valve to control the flow and to control the location. We need one air compressor to provide the compressed air. Then let me introduce the signal flow diagram. If we want to accomplish A plus, we must push the piston A to move from A0 to A1, like this. If we wanted to accomplish A minus, we must put the piston A to move from A1 to A0. After that, if we wanted to accomplish B plus, we must put piston B to move from B0 to B1. Then, if we want to accomplish B minus, we must put the piston B to move from B1 to B0. It can recircle. Now, let me introduce this step. We have 5 steps for this. The first and the fifth step is similar because the piston A and piston B are in their initial position. We want to accomplish A plus, must to follow the second step to put piston A to move from A0 to A1. And after that, we want to accomplish the A minus. We must put the piston A to move from A1 to A0. Then we want to accomplish B plus. We must put the piston B to move from B0 to B1. And we want to accomplish B minus. We must put piston B to move from B1 to B0. The fifth step, the piston A and B are return their initial position. Now, let's introduce the electric control. First, we put the push button. We can see that K1 will get power. K1 will get power and Y1 will work. Y1 work, it means it can move the valve, and the piston A will move from A0 to A1. It accomplished the A plus. After piston A arrive A1, we can see that the A1 will close and the K2 will get power. K2 get power means that Y2 will work. Y to work is means the valve will move like this, and the piston A will move from A1 to A0. It accomplished the A minus. After the past A arrive A0, we can see that Y3 will work. Y3 will work means that the valve will move like this, and the past B will move from B0 to B1. After piston B arrive B1, we can see that Y4 will work. Y4 will work, it means that past B will move from B1 to B0, and the control is end. Then, if we start the pushing, the control will work like this above. So, we can say that the control will work according to the signal flow diagram. Now, let's see the simulation video. After push the push button, past A and B will working according to the signal flow diagram. Let's see the physical video. We can see that after push the push button, the signal A, the piston A and piston B will move according to the diagram. Thank you for watching, and please give me some suggestions.